Good morning. We're back at the truck here. So what we're going to do today is we're going to work on putting some wires through instead of going through the fender. We're going to go through properly, come through a hole underneath the vehicle, come under the dashboard, etc. And let's take a look at what we're going to do. And this will conclude with part 4 here of how to hook up your wires on your light bar. All right. Well, here we are. We're feeding this wire down through here. It's going to route up through here and into here, right over here. So now we got to go down below and see if we can catch it. Okay, so here we are. See, we got it through. We're going to go to over here. So now we got to figure out how to take the interior part to get at that part there. It should be pretty easy to get at that right there. All right, that's the panel we removed. It came off of here, popped off real easy. Now we're going to pop this out here, and we'll be all set with this. So we're back. We pulled this off. It was down here. Now we can pull the carpet back and actually get at that right there. So what we're going to do is drill a hole next to it. We've got this drill. Drill is a little bit smaller than our part here, so we'll be tight. And we'll seal it with silicone once we get it through. But let's drill a hole. Well, we poked through real easy. Now we're going to pull this up. And we're going to pull up enough of it. Well, we got a pretty good amount, so we'll be under the dash anyhow with it. That'll do the inside. Once we get it tie wrapped, we'll get some adhesive down there. We'll put this back together. Alrighty. Got to go get our tie wraps and get this tie wrapped in. You can see how we put the sealant around that. It's sealed up well. We'll do a little underneath too. And it'll dry clear, but nobody will see it under the carpet. We also tie wrap the wire, and she'll come up through here. So here we are with our different wires. We are going to hook the red to the green and the yellow to the white. So yellow is white and red is green. We are not going to hook the black ground wire up. So here's where we're at. Got our wire strip there, our wire strip here. Because we're going to use that piece of shrink tubing, we are going to make all the connections at this point. We just left the ground off underneath the dashboard. So the switch light will not work. So we'll be back in a few. So here are our connections under the hood. We have the red to the green, the yellow to the white, and the black to black. Next, we're going to test to make sure everything works by putting the fuse back in before we do the heat shrinking of all the tubing. All right, it's heat shrink time. Hey, now we got another piece of heat shrink tube to pull over this. I'll be able to tuck all this in. see it on the garage, and I see it here. So looks like we've got a winner. It works. We got to do some finish up on the wiring, but it's on. That's sturdy. That ain't going anywhere. So thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day. Good luck working on your Explorer. If you like this, like and subscribe, and you'll see more content like this. After all, everybody that likes and subscribes will get post notifications when